Hey there, my Philistinians. Today I was actually able to get my Surthrival trailer, my first test for the microgrid capability of it. And behind me I have a little 3,000 watt generator running, and I got a few things hooked up in the trailer. I have you can see a little mini fridge right there that I have hooked up right now. I've got a LED shop light in there that's hooked up to draw some power, and then I also have a vacuum cleaner going over here just to give me enough power draw so that I can watch as the solar system that's installed in the trailer switch over to power off the genset. So I need to draw my batteries down enough so that the solar system can power on be able to take the AC power that's coming in from the genset and be able to pull it into the batteries. It automatically kicks this on once the battery voltage reaches a certain depletion level, about 10% of the battery draw. So it'll be about I'm running it's a 48 volt system, so it'll kick in about just when it gets close to about 47 volts. So I'm gonna kick that on, and then we'll go over to the solar. We'll go over to the solar, and then we'll check out. I'll just film from a distance to see, so that you can see the switch happen when the genset kicks in and it starts to charge the battery. So I'm gonna go over here and kick on this. I'm gonna kick on this guy, my vacuum cleaner right here, and we'll come back over and we'll check out the genset kicking in. When it kicks in, you'll kind of hear it. You'll kind of hear the shutter of the. You'll kind of hear the genset shudder a little bit, and maybe the tone change a little bit when the amp draw is drawn down, when the batteries have depleted enough, that genset's going to kick on. So we'll listen to it here for a minute, and then see if you can notice a change. So the way this system works is as long as there's enough solar power to go into the solar system and charge the battery, as long as there's enough for that, it's going to stay on solar. But it's always sensing there we go, right there. So the genset just kicked on to be able to give additional juice to the battery, because the battery is falling below its 90% charge. So the genset's kicked on to add some more juice to the batteries to allow it to charge. So let's go into the trailer and let's see if I can give you a good readout on the display here, so that you can see what's going on. All right, let me actually see if I can. I'm not going to be able to show that correctly there, but yeah. So it has a smart MPPT charge controller, so it'll always check the state of it's going to keep checking the state of the battery. So once the state of the battery gets below a certain level, the generator kicks on. So this is a new update for the Surthrival trailer project. I finally was able to get the generator set hooked up so that I could prove the microgrid capability of the trailer. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following me on Steemit. Upvote, re-steam, follow me, and check out more to come. I have some more little components to add to the trailer, but this is a big step for me, and it's a big win for being able to create mobile microgrids. So thanks, guys.